we can help our clients turn their own data into more valuable insights.
In recent years, we've become much more of a data-driven company for our decisions.
This will form a very important part of the next generation of education of surgeons.
Having the tools and resources and technology to do your job more efficiently and effectively definitely makes employees happy.
Rockwell's swift digital transformation has enabled us to empower our customers.